Hey guys, there's something we don't see every day. I've just left my house and there's a fucking chicken walking the streets of Caboolture. Well, that's cheered me up nowhere. Oh my god. I'm going to pick up Adsy, my mate the welder. He's gonna fix Scooby's big massive fucking trailer. Sorry about swearing. His big trailer. So I was gonna do a video yet, but when you see the chicken crossing the road when you leave your house, you make a video, don't you? Because, well, what's that about? Like, that's why did the chicken cross the road? Well, obviously to get to the other side, but he sort of looked like he knew what he was doing. The chicken, like, he obviously knew a lot more what he's doing than what I do, for example, because as we've established, I've got no idea what I'm doing at all. Oh, I still haven't had a cigarette, so that's pretty freaking good, guys. No smoking. Haven't killed anybody. Yeah, Jan. I got Jan up early this morning. She's had such a rough week. She went to a concert during the week, Tuesday night. And Jesus, it's very busy right now. I'm not going to be able to go for a minute. So she went to a concert Tuesday night and didn't get home until late, you know. Like, I was at Kimmy's and yeah, she texted me like 12:30. But like, you know, you got to get up in the morning. So she's up again at sort of 5. Yeah. So I was texting her like from 4:30 on in the morning from Kimmy's place, trying to get her up and get her going. So she went and did her work, and I've been picking her up from the train station, you know, like after the she's catching the train. So she got uni today, so I dropped her off at the train station this morning. She didn't want to go today. She's had enough of the week, so you know, she's a bit like her dad, where you know, she's been very social the last week, the last 2 weeks, like going out, and she's had enough of going out and stuff. So I said to her, do you want me to go to Kimmy's on the weekend, even though Kimmy won't be there? So you got the house to yourself. And she's like, no, it's all right, Dad. It's all right, buddy. All right, okay. So, ooh, what's going on here? What's all these freaking cars? Yeah, I suppose it's still just at 9 o'clock. What is it, 8:50 or something? Yeah, so probably dropping the kids off at school, everyone's coming home or whatever. So as I said, we're going to go pick Adsy up. Then we're going to go to Scoobs, and we'll show you the trailer. And I'll get Adsy to sort of, I'm not going to do any welding today. So we're going to go get all the parts that's needed. You'll see. What we're doing at actually doing the welding or whatever. I'd like to say it's good to be out of the house, but I don't feel that way right now. Oh, I don't know why the chicken crossed the road. Alright, I'm gonna leave that there. It's just a little one. I'm gonna add to this one, so 1, 2, 3